We're going to go ahead and give this product a shake up. This is the 𝐥𝐻 Lace Tinting Spray in the shade medium brown. I'm going to spray some of this in this bowl. However, this product is fast drying, so you will have to add some got2b glue spray to it to get more consistency within this product. And of course, you want that pigmentation. I love using this method because I cannot stand spraying the lace tinting spray straight out of the can because it always seeps through on the actual hair strands of the unit, and I have to spend extra time removing it. No one has time for that. Okay, so this method is 10 times better, and I do not have to worry about that. But anyway, I didn't know if you guys knew or not, you cannot use bleach on synthetic wigs. Okay, the hair is not real hair, it's synthetic fibers, so 9 times 10 if you bleach it, it probably would just melt into pieces. Okay, now I do have a black mesh cap underneath of this, so the scalp may look a little bit darker. If you're wearing a ball cap method and you tint it with some foundation, baby, you're gonna be fine. Okay, but look at how it turned out. You guys cannot tell me that this is not a virgin hair unit. You just can't. You can try a little bit. But this is the before. This is actually how the unit comes. This is the knots. They are very much visible and they're knotting. Okay, the knots are knotting. So it's not too bad once you put it on your actual, skin. Like once you put it on, that is pretty much the important role of bleaching your knots or tinting the lace. You want to remove that wiggy effect. Now we're just going in to detangle the hair. If you guys haven't watched my other video, I think this was when I did 𝐥𝐢𝐬 or Jada. I forgot the name of that unit, but I actually brushed it out, blow dried it out, and curled it a different way. However, I was wondering if I brush this out, can the curls come back? Like if I put it underwater and want to wash my unit, what would happen? So I was curious. So we're just gonna go in with my look how thick this unit is. Okay, I'm going in with my unbrush and we just detangle the hair. But y'all, this is giving virgin hair vibes. No one can tell me anything. You can try, but this is so thick and full. If you like thick and fluffy hair, this is your girl. Like if this is a style that you like, you can achieve it because it's not giving synthetic at all. That's what's blowing me away. Because synthetic wear, synthetic who? Look how full this this is giving 300 density. Okay, it is so thick and full. Now this is the moment we've been waiting for. What will happen when we drench the wig in water? Will curls revert back? What will happen? So I'm just taking my time to make sure the water is being saturated all over the hair. As you guys can see, I think I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit for you guys. The water is sitting on the outside of the hair, like it's beating up. So I'm like, let me take my unbrush and we're just going to, allow the water to seep through the hair strand. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just being patient, taking my time. At this moment, I knew that wasn't gonna work. Okay, so I started scrunching up the hair to see if it would help revamp the curls, and it didn't. It didn't. I blow dried it, and it just ended up like this. I said, now let's test the mousse. Let's go in with our mousse and go section by section to see what it will do. Now this is the part where I started getting tangling. It did form some curls, but not the curls that I was personally looking for. So I was kind of disappointed with that. Because I'm like, I want the curls to come back. But please don't do this, y'all. I did it so you wouldn't have to do it. Now I'm just going to take it and restyle the unit. But as far as my curls, like I did on Jada, I think this is called Jada, y'all, I don't know, but I did the same thing on this unit. I'm just going to repurpose her. But don't do that if you want your curls to stay. But anyway, today's wig was What Lace by Alenna in a color 1B. I'm just showing you guys what it looked like before I did any customizations, and I did tint it, I did pluck it, and no, I didn't pluck it, I'm sorry, did I pluck it? No, I didn't pluck it. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye, guys.